The acoustic engineers at Rolls-Royce have become experts in Serenity, and rightly so. Our ghost clients are entrepreneurs who operate in complicated business worlds. So, when they experience their ghost, we want them to feel calm and relaxed. For New Ghost, we took what we had already learned from the previous model and applied even more technology and scientific theory to create what we call the formula for Serenity. The first element is the Rolls-Royce space frame architecture. It's constructed from aluminium, which has a higher acoustic impedance compared to steel. The shapes it's made up of are complex forms, not flat, resonant surfaces, and many areas such as the bulkhead and floor are double-skinned to insulate the cabin. When it's paired with our nearly silent V12, we have the best possible soundstage right out of the box. Next is damping unwanted noise. We use over 100 kilograms of sound-absorbing materials throughout the car. Doors, roof, bulkhead panels, even between the double-glazed windows and on the inside of the tyres. Following that, we get into the slightly obsessive detail. We interrogate what we call hidden inputs, or in simple terms, components that others simply wouldn't take the time to investigate for their acoustic properties. We examine every single component to see if it's creating even imperceptible sound waves, and we found that many surprising items did. We found that the inside of the air conditioning ducting caused the air entering the car to make an unacceptable level of noise, so we smoothed it out. We also tweaked the diameter of the prop shaft and increased its rigidity to improve on acoustics. Lots of small changes, one big difference. The final element is harmonizing the car. During our initial testing, we discovered that taking all the noise away was disorientating. So, we created a whisper, a soft undertone that you experience as a single, subtle note. The seat frames, for example, resonated to excitations from the body in our early prototypes, so we developed damping units that brought every noise together into that single note. Also, the large boot produced a low-frequency noise that you couldn't so much hear but feel at motorway speeds. So we built ports underneath the rear parcel shelf that allowed the sound waves to escape and better harmonise the acoustics. Our formula for Serenity is extremely complex, but as our clients tell us, nothing worth having, and that includes a Rolls-Royce, comes easy.